In primetime news this evening, national security concern. Klansman gang trying to take control of part of Bernard Lutz and Catherine. Member of the legal fraternity supports aspects of pre-charge bail under the new Bail Act. And stigma around mental health still hampering efforts to help people locally.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the business day. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, the focus this evening is on the foreign currency market. The Bank of Jamaica has intervened twice in the last few days, pumping millions in the market. And I'll have details in the business day.
And from Andrea, we go to Jordan. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, there's still uncertainty surrounding whether teams from the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association will participate in the upcoming JFF Tier 2 League. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the proposed changes to the Bail Act?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.